every Cook Islands function, there are staple foods from the minus, the Cook Islands potato salad, to the ikamata. But there is one food item that you can't go past, the donut. Today, we'll be making donuts with Mama Love using her healthier, wholemeal infused recipe.
Te umea roto I te donuts. E pau te wharamata. E toru kapu, e ta I kapu wholemeal plain. Tuku ki roto I ko. Te miti, ruru ki ko. Te, e iu te, wai maana te, no te tuka. Te tuka, tuku ki roto I ko, e a tēnu.
Okay.
Te akari, e a tēnu. Te tuku roto I ko. Te cream, tuku ki roto I ko. Manga cream.
Small bit of fresh cream.
Ki roto I ko ni. Vanilla. Tō pata ki roto. Ta e inu, tuku ki roto I ko ni. E tire, ta au opue, e a e rua kapu. Ta e rua. Tiori. Tiori koe. E ta au wamo. Tiori ama.
Okay.
E biring ki roto I ko.
Yeah.
Okay. Ari ki roto. Okay. Maira. Maira, me taki maata.
All of it.
Okay. Tāwai koe te warao me te rā, te tōnati. Me te Kakaru ke rea ki opue, ko ke te rei te tātou rea pōpō.
So we've just mixed all our ingredients together. We're going to leave it for about 3 to 4 minutes for it to rise.
Maine, me opue o ki te donuts.
Okay.
Ana mai koe kone on koe ta au inu ki a vera. E o te te reira, ere tau ki ko pōpō donuts. Opue mai donuts, ko vera te inu. Maine, ko opue o ki ta tau donuts ine. Rawe mai koe kone, tuku ki ko. Pake to ori ma ki te waramata. Maine, roro donuts ina koe.
No, this is my first time.
Okay, maine te rā ere, roro koe ere.
So I just grab a little ball and start rolling?
Maine, aka pera te rora. Rora rea koe nunga to ori ma.
Okay.
Aka pera.
Okay, Mama, so there's a lot of love inside these little jars here. Is that where you got your name from, Mama Love? Oh, wow.
Tuku au ki roto.
Can't wait to taste these. And how about for me? Is this going to be good for my figure? Oh, really?
Me tuku koe te wholemeal ki roto.
Okay, with a bit of wholemeal, I still look the same. But with full of love.
Te reira.
Okay, cool.
Te reira.
So we just
Manga waramata.
a pinch of flour.
Ki te koe kua vera te inu.
So we
Okay,
know the
tuku
oil
ki roto
is
te
ready.
inu.
Okay.
Maine.
Yes.
Maine koe ta I puta ki roto. Tuku ki roto te inu.
So little rings of donuts.
Me te mea ta au donuts me tuku koe ki roto e. Kare papanu, kare rea ta au donuts I opue. Tuku koe rea, teke koe rea ka brown mai o ki ararore uri koe. Nā rea te rea maine o māua rea ta tawa donuts.
So that's browned out and come out perfect.
E nā, mō tā rūru tāwa ara koe e.
Give it a good shake. And there we have it, the final product. These delicious donuts made by Mama Tero, full of goodness and full of love, crispy and ready to eat.